So, now in this session we are going to learn about the thermal radiation. So, the very basic idea of thermal radiation was given by Prevost, we call this Prevost Theory of Exchanges. So, Prevost Theory of Exchanges. So, initially the idea of heat exchange was not developed to radiation. At that time also there was some concept of calorie, that heat is some liquid which is something transferred or some way of transferring something. So, Prevost Theory of Exchanges, according to which any substance, suppose this is a surface and which is surrounded by some it is inside an enclosure. So, according to Prevost theory, according to Prevost theory of heat exchange, every body radiates heat energy which depends on its temperature as well as its surface area. So, this will emit radiation characteristic of its temperature. Suppose I say T naught and its area is something. So, it emits radiation in all directions which will depend on the value of T naught and its surface area. More the surface area, more will be the radiation. The body will absorb the radiation from its surroundings which depends on its area and the temperature of its surroundings. So, now you see this is a body at temperature T naught and this is the surrounding at a temperature Ts. So, the surroundings also radiate energy which is absorbed by this. So, you see this body absorbs the incoming radiation which is dependent on the temperature of the enclosure surrounding, but on this area. So, now if you see, if Ts is more than T naught, you see surrounding has a more temperature. So, what will happen? It will absorb more and radiate less. So, you see if Ts is more than this, then the body will absorb more and radiate less. As a result its temperature rises. This is if Ts is greater than T naught. Similarly, if Ts is equal to T naught, that means if both temperatures are same, the enclosure and the body, then what it absorbs, the same amount it radiates, because Ts and T naught is same and area is the same. Then the body absorbs, body radiates what it absorbs. So, the temperature of the body remains the same. This is if Ts and T naught is same. If Ts is less than T naught, that means this object is hotter. In that case, the body radiates more than what it absorbs, and so it becomes cool. So, this is what we have in the Prevost theory of exchanges.